So for thousands of years, humans have sipped kefir, and according to ancient wisdom, it is super, super good for you as well as natural. Now, in fact, it's considered a superfood because it contains probiotics which boost gut health, as well as maintaining strong bones, fighting germs, keeping your muscles healthy, maintaining blood sugar, and of course, easing stress. Now, thankfully, you can make kefir at home, super easily as well as affordably, and for the whole family. Now, all you gotta do, get one jar, ideally glass, and you're going to, at the bottom, fill it with 1 to 2 tablespoons of kefir. Now, the grains, you could add more just based on how quickly you want this to culture. However, 1 to 2 tablespoons is typically recommended. From there, you're literally going to pour on top of the kefir grains 2 cups of milk, and preferably organic, just to make it, extra healthy. And you're going to leave about 1 inch from the top of the jar. Now, you could also add some full fat cream if you desire your kefir to be like a little bit thicker. But otherwise, just, put the lid on top and leave it for 12 to 36 hours at room temperature. Once it has fermented, you can simply strain the kefir grains and, reuse them in the next jar. So hope you and yours give it a try and that you enjoy the many health benefits that it provides. Thanks so much.